Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change accent colors on LENOVO Legion GO S. So here you will first need to wait until the device allows you to use itself. Now we will need to switch to the desktop environment by launching the Steam menu, either from touchscreen or dedicated hardware button. Now go into the power options and select switch to desktop. Now open the startup, go into settings, system settings, scroll the settings categories down until you'll find the colors and themes section. Here select the colors subsection, and now at the very top you can see you have the accent color from color scheme selection, or just the accent color selection in general rather. The option that is set now automatically takes those colors from whatever theme or wallpaper we have set or we have installed. So if you would like to set a custom accent color, select this option here and select whatever accent color you'd like to have. Let's say I'll go with purple, then press apply. And as you can see, that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.